In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Android phone as a webcam on your computer. Now, it's really easy to go and do, so let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing we need to do is come over to our computer and open up an internet browser. In the search box, type in DroidCam and then press enter. You can then click on this top website, which is droidcam.app. Now scroll down this page until you see Get the PC Client and click on Windows Setup. You could then click on the setup file, click on your downloads folder, and then you'll need to open up this file here. You could then go through the steps to install this onto your computer. Now go and click on finish. You could then open up your start menu, go and search for DroidCam and go and open up the app. Now once you're on this page here, we need to go and head over to our Android phone. From your Android, go and open up the Play Store, click on the search box, and you need to go and search for DroidCam and then press search. You could then click on this top one here, which is DroidCam Webcam, and you need to go and install the app. Once it's finished installing, click on the open button. You can then press continue, click on continue again, and you can just go through the steps to install this onto your phone. If you get any notification pop-ups, make sure to select while using the app and click on allow to notifications. You could then go and agree to the terms and conditions. And once you've done this, we need to head back over to our computer. You could then click on this button, click to add a device. And as long as you have the DroidCam open on your Android phone, you should be able to see it in this list here. Now, if it doesn't show up, then just make sure your Android and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on my Android from this list. You can decide whether to enable the audio as well and click on add selected device. As you can see, we're now using the webcam from our Android over to our computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.